Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 92. We are on Unit 9. What's your opinion? Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Activity 1, read and unscramble the words. Already given example number 1. And app is a computer program you download to your mobile phone. So app. Number 2, food tastes when it contains a lot of sugar. So this one you may refer to your pupil's book. SWEET, sweet. So SWEET. Number 3, the food you eat every day is your and it should be healthy. This is diet, DIET. Number 4, is something small that you eat between meals. So this is snack. SNACK, snack. Number 5, you can use to add sugar to hot drinks. So this is teaspoon. SPOON. Number 6, all products have a label with lots of lines and numbers, and this is barcode. BARCODE. Number 7, someone if you think they are responsible for a problem. So this is blame. And number 8, you have when you can decide between two or more things. So this is choice. CHOICE, choice. Number 9, there are ways of communicating, such as TV and newspapers. This is media. And number 10, is something that is made and then sold. This is product. Next, we go to activity 2. Complete the text with the words from activity 1. Okay, from this penny 64. Hi there. I've just looked at my new Sugar Smart app to find out if my breakfast is healthy. I use my phone on the, so this is barcode, of the cereal box, and I'm shocked to find it contains more than so this is teaspoon, more than a teaspoon of sugar in every mouthful. I knew it tasted, number 4, sweet. But I didn't realize it was so unhealthy. I wonder what the, so number 5, media would say about this. And next we go to mini 13. So I maximize it a bit. I completely agree with you about breakfast cereals. The food producers. So this is blame. I blame the food producers. We don't need all that sugar. I try to make sure I have a healthy diet. I try not to eat so this is snack, between meals unless it's a piece of fruit. I'm going to go shopping with my mom and check each. So this is product. On the new app to help her make a good, so this is choice of breakfast cereal. So that's it for this page. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 92. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.